Alright guys, welcome back to another video on the Galaxy Note 9. In this video I'm going to tell you the best case and tempered glass that I'm using for my Galaxy Note 9. So let's get into the video. So first up is one of my favorites, the Ringkey Fusion. Now this case right here comes in a few different colors, but ultimately you get to show off your device if that's your thing, but you still get drop protection. I mean, this is very nice. And I noticed with this newer style Ringkey case, with the dot matrix technology, there's no clinging in certain spots. Like sometimes it'll be sticking in one spot. They fixed that this time with this one. This is the upgraded transparent version. So you've got corner protection for all sides. And if you were to drop this on the corner, it should protect your device from shattering immediately. You've got lay on the table design here with some lip protection. So you get lots of protection all the way around if you didn't have a screen protector. I'll get into the best screen protector here in a little bit, but that is the Ringkey Fusion. Next up is one of my favorite cases, is the Unicorn Beetle style sub case. This is my favorite case. I actually have it on several devices. This case right here is very comfortable with grip. Along the sides, it's got a matte feel to it. You can see all the cutouts in all these cases are going to be identical. You do have quick access to your ports and everything, but this case right here too has lay on the table design. Obviously, it's got the lip there. It comes in about 3 colors. Obviously, this is my favorite here. If I had a blue Galaxy Note, I would rock with the blue one because I have that for the iPhone 8 Plus, the blue one like this. But lay on the table design, like I said, really nice. A little bit more grip on this one because it's matte and feel on the sides, but you do get a 2-tone version around the back of this one. So this is really nice. This is the sub case for Unicorn Beetle / iBlazin. Next is one of my favorite cases for heavy duty. This is the in case. Now I talked about in case a while back when I was saying out of box killer, and a lot of people didn't like that, but in reality folks, this is a fantastic case. This is the Fender style case material here, very strong and durable, very thick. Now this cutout is actually fully open back here, just like the other design I just spoke of by the outer box. Fully open back here for all your access to the ports and everything. This is the Rebel series. It even says Rebel right here on the back. I like that. This case is even more grippy than these two cases right here, and you get lots of protection, lots of bulk. So if you have a much bigger lip on the front here, on the top and sides here for lip protection. So if you did not have a screen protector, you lay it down like this, you'll get some protection. But if you were to drop your phone with this case on it, I think it will do a very good job of protecting it, much better than these other 3 cases probably, because this is a hard polycarbonate shell, and in the inside you've got another lining in there, just like the famous outer box cases. So the difference is this one will run you a lot less. So this is the Rebel series case from Encased, and it's for the Galaxy Note 9. I think this is one of the hottest ones I have. Now next is one of my favorite cases. This case is so popular. You guys know the Onyx Series case of all these cases, probably the most. The Onyx Series case is just a great case. Drop protection, flexibility, very thin. It's the thinnest feeling case of all of these cases on the table here, but this one still has that drop protection that a lot of people want. You get the cutouts are just like these, but it favors this one because it has the sloping design right here for the fingerprint reader. Now this case does not show off the beautiful design and your color of your phone. However, you're getting protection, and that's what's most important. This one too has a very deep lip for lay on the table design. If in fact you didn't have a tempered glass or a screen protector on there, it will be very nice in this case right here. Some people I know don't use a tempered glass, but we're going to get into that next. This is the Ringkey Onyx case. Now, the tempered glass that I prefer of all tempered glasses is the Whitestone Dome. Now, when I first started taking a look at Whitestone Dome, the first thing I did was looked at the price, and I thought there's no way it can be that good, but I'm glad I have loyal followers and they told me, Jay, yes, it is that good. This case is awesome. And you know what? All you guys are right. Ever since I've been able to get a White Stone Dome for any device that's available, I grabbed it. And I shout out to White Stone Dome, Ringkey Subcase for sending out all these great products for review. But I do buy a lot of cases, but lately they've been taking care of me, so I appreciate it. So they get to shine. I do have other cases for the phone coming in, but this is the best setup right here, right now. These are my top 4 cases at the moment. They all offer something different and they all bring something great to the table. As for tempered glass, like I said, White Stone Dome is the way to go. It's your man Jay Will. This is my top lineup at the moment as of September 2018. I'll see you guys in the next video.